hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.
Alright, as always, thank you for watching, and if it's your first time to our channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you are a long time subscriber, make sure to share up the video. You see the shirt already, so you know what to do. We'll talk about it more at the end of the video. And also, we always need contribution, because this that we're doing takes a lot, both physically, mentally, and financially, just to keep this running, because we do it different from everybody else, so it takes money. So if there are persons out there that want to contribute to what we're doing, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at Richard Brown Films, or you can email me at richardbrownfilms@gmail.com. All right, and then we can talk a little bit more. I can probably give you my WhatsApp number, and we can hold a reason. So big up yourself, continue to show support, whether through sharing or whether through just watching. All right, big up yourself.
Wait, Lisa?
Adam! Oh my god! Like, I haven't seen you in ages. Like, I haven't seen you in what? 5 years?
Me downstairs, I have me here one little son, and I say, oh, that movie.
Yes, man. A movie in what? Weekend Gone?
Channel. Alright, that's a good thing.
And I didn't even realize. But what have you been up to?
Well, you work, what me did do, Not to go on feet now, so I end up work at one gas station out here every day.
Oh, that's the one our pass it coming up.
Out of Petersfield.
Okay.
That little gas station.
But I know you used to always a try still.
I have to survive.
Yeah, ends up a meet. But I've been here. I started college, Remember, you always wanted me to start and
Proud of you.
finally.
Are you alone moving now with it?
Yeah. Move from Mandeville.
I would say I miss a man not to deal again.
Which Mr. Man?
Come on, Lisa. you know how me really did mash up.
Unfortunately, that never worked out.
Alright, but I'm glad to see you and welcome. Yeah?
Yeah, so you find anybody? I mean, I like the laugh,
I had that one.
Gina laugh.
See you.
Yes, you always do that.
Well, there's a girl over there still, Marcia.
Yeah, go on.
This is. We talk about it.
Yes, you need to come check me. See the appointment.
7.
Well, 7, the number, the right funny, but a 7. So just come page me later, because we have a lot to talk about.
Alright.
Yeah, man, me around the server.
Yeah, man. And alright, that's what I'm living on. So if I want anything at all, you just come knock up over here. So here.
Yeah, man, not a problem.
Yeah, man. Take
we
care.
talk, yeah.
Yeah. Just link me, man, if I know. Yeah? Babes.
Who was that?
I couldn't make some of my conflicts to me. Huh?
Who was that?
May I ask if I couldn't make some of my conflicts to me, I asked me who was that.
I did not. Who was that, babe?
Well, our new neighbor, she just moved in over there, so. But I'm a good friend for a long time, so I'm just there to heal her.
Person?
Say I'm a good friend for a long time, I'm just there to heal her up. Yeah.
What's her name?
And babes, that important if you know her name. As me I say, I'm a good friend, man. Her name Lisa. Me and her go way back from way back when from a long time ago. I don't know if you worry about, you know?
So she alone over there? She
Babe,
alone moving?
listen to me now, Marcia. Stop the foolishness now, girl.
I care to know, that's why I asked.
Marcia, how relevant is them question the two have one right so right now? Me just tell her say I want new neighbor moving over there so. Why you ask me so much question about the person?
All I need to know is that make sure so when she need any form of help, she don't call you for any help. She call the landlord. No fix no fan here, truck, nothing at all for her. Don't be any helper.
You know, say enough people go to school and no sense. You behave like you're ignorant. Stop behave like you're like a Jamal you go?
I'm just saying.
No sensible woman now go say them listen. They don't even ask me who is that. Obviously, you know see me and I like say yes, even see me I say nothing wrong. I just introduce myself. Eh? Easy yourself, man. You behave too ignorant and fool. You're dark, man.
I don't talk. I don't understand why you're behaving so strong in a babe. All I do is just ask a simple question, say a simple statement, and look how you're behaving. Look how you're behaving like you're guilty. Are you guilty of something? Are you?
You know, say sometimes woman mash up on good relationship and them little something you start from. Them little grassroots something you start from. Them a little behavior you start from. Them a little something. What?
So I can't ask question again. It's
Marcia,
time to ask a question these days. You see it?
Marcia, ask me how we are get money to pay bill. Ask me how we are make some money. Not ask me them the foolishness say Marcia man. You see them a toxic question me can't deal with it. Me cannot deal with it, Marcia. Cause me
No
can't.
apologies. No apologies.
The first thing let me tell you this, you know. Me and you're a pitney, you know. So therefore, nobody feel like say you can come talk to me certain way. Talk to me with respect. If you want to communicate with me with respect. Now come try talk to me like me a pitney. Girl, me will slap you upon your body.
You're funny. You always want to be a comedian. This is your chance. Glow, baby, glow.
Yo, you see you come here, man. You don't see that sense. You don't sense it again. Yo, man, I'm sure you know that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yo, come on,
I wonder what this now.
Other morning, I go see some I'm go on the road and come back. When we reach in from the apartment, brother, guess who I see?
Oh, no, oh yes, now.
Just guess them, brother.
We hard, brother.
Brother. Lisa, my youth. Pink lip Lisa.
Wait, fear ex Lisa.
Yes, pink lip Lisa.
Oh, man.
Moving right next door to me from the same apartment, brother. You know it.
So how that work out, brother? Cause I remember say, Marcia the right this, you know, and yeah, Marcia go on good, you know.
At that I think I know because even a man one time I just realized. Doesn't mean Marcia did not come ask me some little jealous question, but
Yeah.
make sure bother me right now, you see me, but I just say things it, but yeah that at least I'm moving from the apartment you know. Girl sexy see me, you know man.
Hey, yo, how are your son? Yo, back up, you know, your son.
Yeah, you know it things it, right? I say anything can go on. Come on, man, you know that. When man say and then and must say Lisa look good, you know.
Yeah.
And I like say me and Lisa did really left on bad terms. I just little misunderstanding.
But
You see me?
when I go on so good again to you know, brother, I think it looks so perfect, you know.
Yeah.
You say when we almost get married and all them things there, you know. How I really did go on?
Brother, I must say we did young, you know, man.
Yeah.
So we did me at 18 in time, yeah, young little boy. So I don't say go dog, but you know what?
Yeah.
What I feel Marcia and Lisa, I know we can't manage the two of them for the apartment.
But what you know, yeah, Marcia done and go and good and out too, you know, so You can't too mash up that for no whole fire tick, you know, even though they say easy if you catch. But if you just try ignore the one day. Or if you take one little piece, you take it small, the other bother make you go burn down the thing, you know?
Alright. You know, yeah, that's what I'm rating of that. I really want to know.
Yeah, man, but
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna serve this up on it.
Hi.
Hey,
Good morning.
morning.
How are you? You must be Lisa, right?
Yeah, man, I'm Lisa. How you know that?
Oh, Adam told me about you.
Okay. And he told me about you too, but I didn't know your name.
I'm his girlfriend. I'm Marcia.
Oh, Marcia, nice meeting you.
Thank you. So, how is your stay here so far?
I can't complain, you know. It's a nice community. I like it. It's really peaceful when compared to where I'm moving from.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What about the climate, the weather?
It's really hot. I'm from Mandeville, you know, but Mandeville is really cool. But I don't know. Here is just really warm most time.
So true, but get used to it either way.
Yeah, man. So, how you like it? So, from when you're living here?
Over the past, let's say, 3 years now. It's
3
been
years.
quite some time.
That's a good while now.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. I'll leave her so close one up there.
Yeah, and since you know Adam, right? He told me that you guys are friends from way back when.
Oh yes, yes,
He
man.
told
We've
me that,
been.
and that sounds quite interesting. So I was saying to myself, since Adam know you and you know Adam, we could maybe do a double date one day. You come over sometime, drink some juice, watch movies, go together,
I'm not so sure
including your
about.
boyfriend.
Not so sure about that. I am single at the moment, unfortunately.
You're single?
Yeah, it's not a bad thing. I'm focusing on me right now. So,
I'm so sorry to hear.
no man, no need to be sorry. It's not a bad thing. You know, it's a good thing for me.
Wow.
Yes, man. So me just gonna get ready now and rush go sub. Cause me seriously can't take the heat. Feel like me go pass out, I swear. So
All right.
yes, man, later we'll talk, you hear?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Adam.
Mike. Mikey.
Marcia, good morning.
I'm good. Morning. Adam is not here, by the way. He's not here, so can I have a seat? Where you want still?
Oh, when it comes to power mic still, but what I was chilling for.
Have a seat. The mic part can work. Never can work. The mic part can't work for now.
Oh no, I'm not go against that.
I'm calling you.
Yeah.
I can't.
I'm not good, man.
So what's up, Mikey? It's been a while.
I chose man a long time, but you know, work stuff and them thing there.
Work.
Yeah.
Well, I can't too busy for me and your friend Adam. You understand? We're friends.
True, but
Find some time. We can even go on a double date together. Me, you, Adam, and your girlfriend.
double date.
Yeah.
Right in Marcia. Yeah, you are going.
Like what?
Right, you know, so me and my cat did break up. Right now I'm single, you know, just a focus on myself and work and, you know.
What you mean by your cat break up?
A long story, but
You cheat for her? She find out? What you do?
oh, a long story. We just now get along and we just choose to go separate ways peacefully and, you know.
So sad to hear.
Yeah, you know, respect.
But you're searching though, right?
Well, not really, but if the right person to come, he come. So right now, as me say, me I focus on myself, work and, you know, stuff.
Anyways, good news. There's this next door neighbor. She came around the other day. Her name is Lisa, very nice girl. And I get to understand that she's single.
Wait.
Your type of girl.
Wait, Lisa?
Lisa.
Boy.
Brown and nice girl. She's a very nice person. You would like her. So guess what?
Lisa.
Once you're interested, I can put in 2 words for you. How that sound?
No, sir. Yeah. No, I got to my sister.
You say you're single, so what's the problem?
No, sir, not Lisa, man.
You know a Lisa?
No.
Your ex the name Lisa?
No, Lisa.
You know which Lisa? The same Lisa?
The same, yeah. No.
And what?
Say, you don't know.
No what?
Alright, you don't know, say, Adam and Lisa they have a little thing going on. Tied. All about to get married and them stuff there, so I know that much.
Which Adam?
You mean which Adam? Your man Adam.
Who?
Lisa.
Have a little thing going on.
Oh no man, I'm ex. Them they need to have a relationship about to get married and then just break off.
Oh.
Yeah, so I can't believe say I never know still and me never did want to try rub anything in your face, you know? You know but
Mikey.
what go on?
Where there, man?
I'm not there, brother, man.
Let us know nobody in place.
I know you're not Adam, man, but watch out. I come borrow your mic and, you know, I'm Marcia there have a conversation and stuff, you know?
Oh, simple 1, 2, 3 then.
Yeah, man.
We have a mic, man. We all have all brand new.
That Mr. Man, you know, you're going good.
Hey, you know you go. Son boy, you feel dead when you go on road, you know.
So you go a good while, we don't come catch up and have a vibe, you know?
But you know, 2 days since me having you know, so scare back, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Yo, bless up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Powers and respect.
Just be safe on the road, now.
Alright, sir. Respect.
You understand?
Man.
If you get none of them money pull up, you just put it in the left one eye money pull up in the bike.
That's simple, man.
Alright.
Alright, there, Marcia. Yeah, man.
Marcia, me not tell us, me no want nobody in me do me no there.
Don't come try irritate my spirit. Don't try irritate my spirit today.
So Marcia, I can't be here, so.
What I mean by how me I behave so? So how you not tell me saying the girl next door did they? How you not tell me that?
So man,
I almost get married part of that too. Adam?
so Marcia, that a way before me did even come together in an own relationship. So me never did I go tell her that day. Me never ask her about your ex them or not. Me never just do tell her that. I don't know, you know that important.
It's important. We living close by. Every day you see her. Make sure say her still not sleep, you know. Make sure say not cheat for me, you know.
Marcia, nobody come to me with them nonsense, Marcia, man.
What?
If you come to me with them nonsense, Marcia.
Nonsense. Are you a nonsense? You're supposed to communicate with me as the woman.
Marcia, so what am supposed to do? Tell all of my ex them what me did there with. Alright, me did there with Sally and me did there with Stacey, me did there with.
Shut up.
You know what? Mind how you talk to me, because I say, you make jealousy a cloud up your brain. Because I don't know what kind of nonsense them they can try to say to me right now.
Dirty and fluency, one jealousy. Eh? So I'm not supposed to jealous, I'm not supposed to talk.
Mama, watch out now. Me now get up and I ask you, both your ex them are nothing like that. So I not see why me supposed to come tell you say, me and Stacey did them, me and this girl did them, me and that girl did them. That make no sense.
Why you saying add up? It's 2 different stories. Me and none of my ex them never yet about to get married or did married. Never.
So that cause all of this marriage.
Yeah.
Marriage cause all of
Of
this.
course.
You see?
I'm Mike not lie, you know. Mike not tell a lie.
Me not disagree to what you say. Me not disagree to what you say, no. But what you say to me now make no sense. Cause watch you know. If you be so, because of like a marriage. Look, we have so much something to think about. You think about marriage. You can't follow people and run go get married and we still not have nothing. No what you do, man.
What else to make no sense?
Think straight.
What?
Them and behavior you don't make no sense. You hear me I tell you? Listen, you overreact. A long time, me know. That from me at 18. Me and Lisa, that from me at 18. Me the young then time there. Me never did that thing straight. I'm gonna see when why look how much somebody after Lisa me talk to. Me going to tell about Lisa, that make no sense, Marcia?
Babe, and I like to say me care about Lisa or me not use my brain and my head. It's the fact that Lisa are your ex plus Lisa are living in the same apartment, yes? And all fire would easy to catch. And that me I talk about. Every day you see Lisa and Lisa see you. And a very close on top of that. So I expect me to think and approach you as a woman. Me got think too. Me have feelings. Me care about you. Me love you.
If you did love me, you don't trust me and understand, say, me know what me I do. Me would never disrespect you like that. If you know, say, Lisa did a sign you there, so. But, me not gonna talk about this again. Just enjoy the rest of your evening. Because you upset me right now with all of them and nonsense, yeah.
Mr. Brown.
Yeah, my name is Marcia.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Me good enough, but me want to talk to you. Come out, Tyson. I want to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man again, Miss Marcia.
Morning.
Alright, here I go on. Me not really appreciate the fact that I don't know if your shoes or your boyfriend shoes, they're on top of the pump station. So if you can find somewhere else put them, we don't appreciate that, alright?
Alright, no problem. The front door, the pipe upstairs in the bathroom not working since yesterday.
Since yesterday. Alright, no
Yeah,
problem.
look at that.
Alright, yeah man, me make sure so me look on it and make sure say it's in good working order. Alright?
Yeah, and the rent for the 12th of this month, I'll pay it like a few days before.
Okay, sound good, sound good. I appreciate that, not a problem.
That's okay, sure?
Yeah man, everything is good?
One more thing. This new tenant of yours, I don't like her. I just don't like her.
Alright, Miss Marcia, to be honest, this is an apartment and you're gonna have people who you and them come from the same area who you don't know them on the apartment. But as long as she not directly get in your way and cause problem, we can't do that.
Yes, she's a bit too close with my man. Ups and down and all these things with my man.
Alright, you are one. You see the woman and man business, you, your man and she and whatever, you have to ensure say you work that part there out. But me, I must tell you though, as I said before, this is an apartment and I want to ensure say you live good. So the fact that you are telling me about she, what you want me to do about it?
Work her way out of the place.
Listen, it's a business me I run, you know. And business not really run so. So me don't know if I try bribe me with early payment at the rent, but me can't really run her out of the apartment because me, you, she, all of we have a 1-year contract. And as long as she not do nothing for breach a contract there, me can't run her out. But me gonna tell you again, we no live good on the apartment and no cause no problem. And we alright. Alright? We good, right? Alright, so work that out and try not cause no problem.
I'll try.
Alright, good.
Alright.
Who is it? Hold on.
I get to understand that you and my Adam shared an history. Share history.
My God, I figured it would come to this. But my dear, there's no need to feel insecure.
Who says I'm insecure?
You're acting that way.
Really?
You are. Relax.
I should be relaxed.
I mean, that was years ago. So, what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that I don't like the idea of you playing around, sneaking around my man. I don't like the closeness between you and Adam. I don't like it.
Clearly, you're making some assumption. What do you mean, sneaking around with your man?
I don't like the closeness between you and Adam.
That's not enough grounds for you to come up here and knock off my door today. If you don't have nothing else to say, miss. But by the way, let me ask. Where is it coming from? Why all of a sudden this? So what, you never know before that Adam and I was a thing?
Excuse me?
All
Was
of
that
a
what?
sudden, the attitude, yes, we were together at one point, but not anymore. So what?
No, I wasn't aware until I know. And yes, Adam did not tell me. He did not.
So
He
clearly,
did not tell me
so
that.
clearly, it is some insecurity because at first you didn't know everything was okay. You wanted to friend me, okay, right? But now that you know, it's a problem.
Of course it is.
But
It's
why?
obviously a problem.
Why?
Because he's seen his ex every single day. And you always come to Adam for assistance.
You hear
Like he's your housemaid or something or house help.
You hear what you say? X. Wrong bang. Once me and somebody there will left, me not have no I go back there so.
Make sure.
You don't need to tell me if I make sure. Me can't handle myself. Okay? Me know better. You don't need to tell me make sure. So what else bring you up here?
Well, I don't really like it from the first day I ever saw you, miss. So guess what you need to do now? You need to remove yourself from these premises. Find something and tell Adam and stop talking to my man.
So a hypocrite you that play with me down the line.
Well, I figured possibly, yes, obviously.
Okay then. You just show me a real face. You show me your true colors today.
Okay. Anything else?
Okay.
Yeah. So?
Yeah, listen to yourself right now.
I am.
Are you done?
It's either my way or no way, but not your way. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Talking. Are you done?
Well, I think so. I hope so. Let's see.
Go on thing.
Let's see.
Just run away.
You're so ugly.
You're pathetic. That's
Thank
what you
you.
are. That's what you are.
Thank you.
And don't come knock me door again.
Oh, Lisa. Morning.
What's going on? You're the funny washing.
You know, say, how far everybody may go wash their slippers and their shoes, yeah.
So early. Why? I don't know. I just say I go and sweep up. Me not get to the washing yet.
Tidy up. But look at the time, man. Can I go? Come go show you, river.
But hold on, river they close by here?
But I bro, I'm going to show you places.
Alright, give me a minute. Me never know. Would I go up there long time. Can much day me there in a hat? But let me get some clothes and towel and something.
Alright, I'm there, so I'll get.
Yeah man, give me a second. Thanks for waiting.
If we get the tans on, you know, man, I can't have them a nice, pretty brown body and just lock up in a house. So.
You're right. Oh, that's...
Yeah. I want to say, a long time. I don't see you swim thing, you know.
Swim? You know me can't swim. I had a trouble.
What teacher then? Just watch your foot here.
Yeah.
Because they see them green part are kind of slippery. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. Come on, there's enough. You see people up here right just so they come bathe, you know. How you could have left again?
You really asked that? It wasn't memorable. You forget in a hurry.
God no. Like we did have such a good thing going, you know.
Yeah, I can agree on that, but you never appreciate me, so
Me never appreciate you,
you
Lisa.
did not.
So I think of something we could have talked about. Eh?
No.
We could have talked about it, you know, like what you do, you literally break my heart.
So you don't think you break my heart as well? I mean, you did it first. All them message there, let me go through your phone and see. You never care if you explain all of that?
No, but watch out, sometimes I not everything. It's not like me did that do nothing. People text me. We are adult. People I go text you. But
So,
I don't
but
like.
yeah, me understand that, but why you entertain the conversation?
Well, probably me did wrong this of it true, but
Well, you finally can admit it now.
yeah,
When
me did.
it's too late.
Well,
Too late.
too late still. Technically, me still not married yet.
But you live with your man, me know I mash up on a life, so.
I mean, why we live together, but me not really happy, you know.
what, a,
You cool?
what a cool man.
Eh? Hush.
Listen, them people in the
Hey.
community I love chat, man. Them see and go tell you, man.
Eh? Nobody know. Nobody know. Nobody. See Rastaman always. Rastaman are my new one business, man.
Me not able, you know.
Hey, a long time I just see you for you too, you know.
Let me too, no. Sure.
Watch out.
Yeah, that look on yours.
Alright,
Yours, them not nice.
I lie, man. Me told you nice, man.
Nicer than mine?
No, you're a woman. You know, say you're nice. Come on, what you want me to say?
You're right.
Man, feel look like man, you know.
Rough and crusty.
Yeah, I have some nice, pretty woman like you.
Well, yeah.
Let me wash my shoes, them, because them touching the wagon.
What?
Really?
What about the touch?
I really want to go stir up nothing, you know, and then.
No, me have better control than that. Me not go allow anything to happen. Hold on. Your girlfriend is saying a minute. You do that.
Watch out, no one of me run this and I want out there.
Whew.
Yeah, you left me have a carry. You see here. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, you're not far though.
I'm tired of products.
So, I want to beat out of it. Yeah,
Well, I'm gonna sleep right now. No, hang on, then. I'm thinking put them there so that for dry. See? Look at one inside.
Hey.
Babes on.
Adam,
Babes.
where you coming from?
See, my shoes them I go wash.
What?
My shoes them I go wash. I'm there.
Coming from the river. With Lisa.
Well-
With Lisa.
Babes, calm down now.
So you don't respect me in this house. You don't. You don't care about my feelings. Or what I feel about you and that Lisa.
Babes, listen to me.
You don't care about that.
Listen to me. Me I go wash my shoes them and Lisa she went over there and we just go river. Me just go wash my shoes them and that's it and she swim that's it. Nothing more. So what wrong with
Why
that?
she never called the landlord? Why you have to carry her to the river? Why you?
We are neighbor, what I'm to you. We are no stranger, me know her.
I couldn't care less.
Listen to me, I'm a big man you know man. Mind know you talk to between them. Me a big man, but I come feel like say you can't come talk to me. You think me a pitney? Me know me I do, me know what is right for and what is wrong.
I told you several times I don't like to see Lisa around you. I told you that.
You think me a
I'm-
pitney girl?
You think Adam, you think I was joking? Huh? Was I joking?
Me don't talk with you anymore. Don't talk.
So you're trying me in this place. You're trying me. Adam, be careful. Be careful, Adam.
Best thing you do is
Be
stop it.
careful, okay?
That me I tell you. Cause you must feel like say me a pitney. Me just simple go river, show the girl around the place. I don't know. That what wrong with that? Me and her a stranger. Eh? You think me a pitney me can't show? My girl, you must know when man love you, you know. You must know when man love you, you're going like you're an idiot.
Love, guess what? I know what to do, you know. And I'm the best at what I do. I know exactly what to do. Just try me. Continue. Don't stop. Continue, Adam. Adam and Lisa, perfect match. Continue.
You sound stupid.
Am I? Do I? Thank you. Hello?
Welcome, Mrs. Telephone.
Not good at all.
One piano, open a home. Damn destiny now.
I hear that.
I open a boy Adam destiny now. I'm here. I'm here. We don't play to come over there, you know. What
Boy, you come stress me out. Him ex-girlfriend come moving at the apartment.
Wait.
Me there home.
Ah, they're called circle.
Come right now, bro, please.
Marcia.
Bro.
Hi,
Jay, come
princess.
now. Push and come.
What I say? Pull the door.
Come now, bro.
Eh?
I said come.
Oh. I chat, you can't chat to yourself.
What?
You talk too low, man. So you look, sir.
Oh, my look.
Not to be head no come.
What?
You look stressed out. What I want to tell you, look stressed out, sis. So what are you dealing?
Stress right out, bro. Headache, problem, everything that's bad.
Nah, so this don't look good. You make me think of something else you call me prefer, but you make me start think something else, you know. Because when you call me, I think that like some money you give me or something, so quick me reach up.
I love money, sir.
No, man, I used to love money, but you don't know. You see me? You have to have money in your pocket, said you know. So where you say now? Because I have to go more.
It's Adam, you know. The brother-in-law.
What going on with that?
Alright, so this ex of his.
Hold on. Ex. I think you got to like him. Put your hand on him thing and where you say now? Where you say go on?
Alright, man, understand say overprotective from ever since, but Adam have this so-called ex choose to move in at the same apartment we're living, or to all these places in the neighborhood across Jamaica. She chose to move in at the same place, same location. Can you imagine that? Next door neighbor.
Hold on. So what me have to do is that? How me fall into place?
Bro,
Yes, sir.
it's stressing me. And I need assist. I need help. I need
No,
some
but we
assistance.
can't help you now with this. So how me gonna help you this? So me don't understand. What me gonna do? Run out the girl? What me gonna do?
Alright. You're my brother, right? You look good, so girls normally like you.
Already, man. Just call, man.
Relax, man. Girls normally like you.
Just call, man.
So I want you to just meet her, seduce her, use her, and do like a video clipping
Use
for
her?
me. As in sex her. And video it. And send it to me so I can blackmail her. What do you mean?
You know what I'm not gonna do that. You know what I'm not gonna do that. No.
Why, bro?
No, you know I'm not coming. So why you don't really want me to do that? You don't want somebody to do that?
Well, if they have to, why not?
No, man.
What do you mean
Sister,
by
you get so cool. Like, well, you really think so? I don't know you are this person.
change me in life? Pain changed me. Pain. And people change me.
It's more than pain.
I spoke to her calmly and I said, her name is Lisa. I said, Lisa, can you just leave my man alone? No. She just up and down in my man's life. I don't like that.
Yo, you I said them sitting there. I'm not there upon their vibes.
Please, no, bro.
I'm not there upon their vibes, sis, man. God, no, man.
Bro.
Nobody out there sitting there. Can't.
It's because I trust you, you
No, I
know.
hurt no more girl, you know. You see it, cause I hurt a few and I don't feel good. You see it.
Think about those who hurt you. Don't worry about who you hurt. So you care about next girl feelings. What about me as your sister? What about me? You don't love me? You don't care about me, bro?
No more than love you. But
It's not like I'm gonna destroy the girl. I just want to have the video so I can just blackmail her. I don't plan to post it, you know, bro. I don't plan to post it or to destroy this young lady. I just want her to leave my man alone. That's all, bro. It's stress. You know, some head look mad like trash.
Boy, sister, you know what I mean? I want nothing there. God, no.
No, we talking, so you have to help me out.
Nothing there, my sister, because I don't know you as this type of person. You see me just chew up yourself, son. God, no.
Say
So
it.
you say?
Alright.
What?
Guess what? I'm
Yo,
gonna
not to
send
feel
you.
good
Listen now, relax now. Why you listen to me so?
Yo, that's cool, man.
Alright, guess
Yo.
what? I'm gonna send you the girl
Judge
Instagram
understand.
account. You're going to DM her, friend her, meet her, talk to her, and from there, just make she fall for you. Once she fall for you now, you can sex her 1 or 2 times. So finally, video it and send it to me. That's all. No one need to know. You can trust me, no? My sister. Will I ever hurt you?
I know say I can't trust her, but I just this a thing I know. Me always tell her say me will do anything for you, know, but why come like this I wanna
Yeah, think too much,
wanna
bro.
me night.
Bro, say yes. Say yes.
Me not really gonna say yes, you know, just
You go do it. You want money? I know you love money, bro. Stop
I
me.
know money, man. I just do how you look now, sister. I like how you look now. You see it, so I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Me not call me for do nothing like them that again doing. You see me? Nothing like them that again. You see me? Me gonna do it for you. Alright?
That's my brother.
Alright, so what you say for do?
I'll send your account. I'll send your IG page, and from there, they just page her and friend her and stuff.
Alright, just send it.
Just match up the crime.
God knows, star. Just alright, later. You know, $1,000 in there, you know.
Not no.
Go on now, man. I think it's easy.
Alright.
Later. Hi, nice lady.
Hi.
Look like you're strange out the bag them.
I am.
My God. Do you need any help?
I appreciate that. Thanks.
How far are you going? Cause
Just right on the apartment around
oh,
there.
right around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure we can help you.
Thank you.
Whoa, the one that weight, the one that heavy.
Very heavy.
Where kind of this?
Just some shopping that I went to do.
My gosh. So what's your name?
I'm Lisa.
First time seeing you around. Welcome to my community.
Thank you. Just moved. And you are?
I'm on Jay. You can call me Jay.
Okay. So you say you live around here?
Yeah, man, just it's the yellow house down here, so.
Oh.
On your left, right. That's where I live.
Okay. Well, I'm on this road right here.
Yeah, man, I know the apartment. I should be telling you when I see somebody who you like, you know,
I hear you.
nothing that. Yeah. So this is it.
Yeah, this is where I live. The apartment. Thank you so much.
No. Yeah, man. Take care of yourself. Take your time.
Yeah, just gonna pick it up.
Are you here?
Yeah.
You mean personally?
Yeah.
Like, I get somebody for this.
I did it.
Wow. So I hope you enjoy your evening.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, man. And I hope I can, might be lucky to see you around again. What a fact. Could you exchange your numbers?
I am not so sure about that. I mean, I just met you.
Yeah, I understand all of that, but exchange is no robbery, you know.
That's how you say it.
Yeah, man, exchange no robbery. Yeah, man, I have to be shy, just put it inside here.
Not sure that's the right thing, you know.
Alright, you want me to punch it in for you?
Whatever.
Alright, tell me.
Alright, so 655-841.
Alright,
Alright, so
yeah, man, so.
and the name I told you, Lisa.
Right, yeah, man, I remember, man. So, you remember my name?
Andre.
Okay. Alright,
Alright.
what's up later, eh?
I'll be busy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Make sure some smell the smoke, the food scent there around here, so you know. Yeah?
You go on later. That was so good. I really enjoyed it. You still a sweat, jeez. Alright, so what am I gonna say again?
Just ring your bird, man. Anytime, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. I'm there to cater for your need, you know?
That was so good. Can't wait for you to come again.
Yeah, man, and that felt good. Great. Yeah. I know what you later, you know?
Okay. See you.
Yeah. Hey, Marcia. Yeah, man, bingo. Yeah, man, me have it, man. Alright, I'll send it to your phone now, yeah? Yeah, right away. Alright.
Who is it?
Hello?
Just a minute. You again?
What do you mean? Are you surprised to see me?
You know, not really, surprisingly. I know you would be back, so what bring you here today?
Well, you'll be surprised to see what's on my phone.
Why would I be surprised? Me and nothing, miss.
What?
You heard me.
Does this person look familiar? Any clue? You need glasses?
Where you get that from?
Does it matter? Does it?
Where you get this from?
I remember I came to you recently. I told you nicely, leave my man alone, but I just don't get it. You don't.
Marcia, I never have to reach you so.
What do you mean?
This is my personal life. Like, oh, you even get that?
Does it matter?
Of course it matter. You talk about something that damage my reputation right now.
Oh. When I did not care not to damage my man, to damage my life, my happiness.
You're just stupid. Me tell you, say me and the guy are just friends. So you don't really go through this length and mile to damage somebody's reputation like this?
Listen, if you don't pack and leave this house, guess what? Just one post away. And you become viral. One post away.
Me can't say as a, I'm not even going to disrespect you.
No, say it.
I'm not going to do
Say
it.
it.
And the only reason is because you have that video. I'm going to leave this place and I hope you enjoy Adam. Point to note, he was mine before you. So, with that being said, he's my trash baby. You understand?
Okay.
So I refused him and he picked you up. I don't even know what he sees in you anyways. But you know what? Just please. And I like a note.
Just pack and leave. Don't try me. You're trying to irritate my spirit.
And a lighter note, Miss Marcia, don't post the video here.
Don't post it.
Don't post the video.
Well, I'll think about that. Will you leave?
I will leave.
You will.
I will.
Okay.
Alright. No post the video, man. We're good.
You have COVID?
Oh, man. Everything alright.
Better be. Don't try me. Pack and leave.
Thing alright.
Might as well.
I never one thing, but everything alright.
Whatever that means.
Marcia, Lisa. Where are you?
Adam, me really can't talk right now.
No, Lisa. You know when something wrong with you, What is it? Talk to me.
No, your girlfriend. Or better yet, the witch where you call your girlfriend.
Lisa, what is it? Talk to me. Talk to me, Lisa.
I really not feel for her, but if you have to know, she have a video on her phone. Go up there, go ask her about it. Give me my
What
bag.
kind of video she have on her phone, Lisa?
What kind of video think somebody would get upset? I don't even know how she get the video.
So is it that one explicit video? Video?
Yes, that's why I make me.
One video them meet with me or
No, Adam, somebody else. And the worst thing about it, she had threatened to blackmail me. Unless me leave the place, then she don't go
Listen
post
up.
the video.
Lisa, me deal with this. Just come back, go and make up.
You think me got my reputation up on the line,
Me deal with it.
I one click on that post, you know. If she see me back in there, she gonna post the video. Me can't take no chances. Talk to her and then you call me and make me know how it go.
Which part you move on, Lisa?
I don't know, me go find some. Me just can't stay. Me can't make she post the video.
Alright, me have a number, me call her. Just me deal with this here.
Yeah, just call me.
Yeah. Delete it. Me have to know who you be no more.
Excuse me?
What I mean, excuse you?
What
Marcia,
you talking about, babe?
no come babe me. Marcia, what kind of style that?
What style?
Eh? Me just pass Lisa downstairs and he tell me say you have some explicit video with her on your phone. I try to blackmail her. What kind of style that them, my girl? Eh? Me not tell some any girl no day. What kind of style that?
That's not how it's supposed to approach me.
What
You
me-
must come to me and say, babe, what you hear about? It's like say you believe Lisa.
Marcia, stop there and tell me foolishness of me is. You idiot or what? Oh, you fit have, you know say you can't go to prison for that? You have the people them on your phone, where you get it from?
Does it matter at this point? Does it matter? That's not your concern.
You know what? She a move out, me a go move out too, cause me not telling her so with somebody like you, cause me not know who you be no more. What kind of style like that? I see him so me coulda there, you coulda have something with me if you go try blackmail me. I eat that style like that.
It's not murder after all. It's not.
Mama, them the jealousy and the insecurity they don't make no sense. A fool, you know, I'm done chat with them.
What do you mean by a move out? So as she a move out, you a move out too.
So now that me say.
We're gonna move in. So I was right. Something is still going on. Go ahead.
Then that me I do.
Babe.
Don't touch me, man.
Come, babe, a joke here, make.
Watch me. Boy,
Babe, you can't serious, babe. I must stand full there.
Me not serious.
So that was April 1st. Babe, a joke here, make. Hey. So because of one video,
Nobody feel like say you can't style me.
babe,
Don't
babe,
touch-
relax, no, babe.
Don't touch me. Listen to me.
Babe.
Listen to me. I'm tell you this. You see them are kind of jealousy here. Them are kind of jealousy here. Dangerous. You will get people killed. You could have seen so you could have get me killed.
Babe, let's talk it out now, baby.
Talk out what? Talk out what?
Babe, but you love him if you just do everything possible so she can just avoid you and you avoid her.
You will learn.
You gonna call me? Adam, baby, I'm sorry. I need to come back in my life. This will never happen again, babes. I'm sorry. Come back now. I'm stressed out, please. Please, no, I love you, no, baby. You're just gone, so, baby. Respond when I get this, alright? I beg you, babes.
Miss Marcia.
Yes?
Oh, give me a minute out here, please. Come right out here, son. I'd like to talk to you. Yeah, good afternoon again, Miss Marcia.
Good afternoon, Landlord.
Alright. I talked to you about that situation already, you know. With you, the tenant, and your man. And you go beyond my word, you know. And get video of the girl and do some things. The girl just call me up on phone, you know. She call me up on phone and cry. I say you mash up her life. And all I want you to say to yourself, listen, stay far from her and just work out things with you and your boyfriend. You go behind the back and go to the lowest of the low.
So you believe her? You said the video?
So what you trying to say? She a idiot, she a mad.
So I am mad.
So let me ask you a question.
You just come to me and ask me about it, Landlord. Don't address me like say you believe her.
Listen, you know what? I'm going to tell you why I believe her. Because you were the first person who come to me having problems with her. So if she get up and say this, it simply mean that something you do for cause this. So here where the bottom line come down to. You see you make she left before time and before our tenure up in the apartment, me will evict you. So me will give you at least 2 weeks, find someone to go. So pack up your things and leave.
No, this can't be real.
No, it is real. It is real. Pack up your things and leave.
No. So Lisa gone, Adam gone, and me for go now?
Listen, that's not my problem. Work it out. Figure it out. That's not my problem. Just leave the apartment.
Oh.
If you watch this video to the end, thank you very much for watching. We appreciate the fact that you take the time out of your busy schedule for sit down and for just watch the video. Because we know the attention span of most persons are very short. So we appreciate when people can sit down and watch the video to the end. So thank you very much. Alright, let's do a little bit of house cleaning before you come off for the video. Don't come off, because we have some things to talk about. We're still in the process of trying to help 1010. You don't know, she have to do her regular doctor visit. A lot of times when we reach out to her and she say, yo, say doctor, I just go. And she really show appreciation of the fact that the contributions and what she gets so far, it help her for go to a doctor, for keep on and check up. Because she did one surgery already and she have to always go to a doctor because she have one more left and the money thing just is away. We are Jamaica and Jamaica rough, so we can't sugarcoat it and go on like say, boy, we are one perfect place. Rough, but we have to give God thanks and we have to just work with the little we have. But if there are persons out there that want to help her to push towards a surgery or just to do the doctor visit, because for right now she can't even do no form of filming. She have to just take a break until she get herself backed up together. We'll provide the link in the description where you can make the contribution towards the GoFundMe. Alright, also at the beginning of the video I make mention that to do this that we're doing takes a lot, both financially, physically, and even mentally. It takes a lot, and especially when you're doing it by yourself as a person who has I film a movie them, I edit them, and all the other things. Now and then me get the help from Alton with the filming and a little bit of the editing. And then when my son now go school and so forth, him help to do some of the filming and some of the acting. So, but majority of the work is on me. So sometimes it can be tiresome, but nonetheless, we still a push on. So if there are persons out there who want to contribute to what we're doing, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or on Facebook or on Gmail. So it's Richard Brown Films all the way for all of them. Richard Brown Films at gmail.com. Richard Brown Films on Instagram. Richard Brown Films on Facebook. Reach out to me, man, and let me know how you can contribute. And also, I've been a try to push forward a Facebook, a WhatsApp group. So if you want to be a part of the WhatsApp group, you can link up me on Instagram, add it to the WhatsApp group so you can know when we post some videos. Because sometimes YouTube don't notify you when we upload new videos. So being a part of the WhatsApp group will help to let you guys know when we upload new video. And also before we go, let's talk about a little bit about it. You've been seeing us wearing the shirts in the movie them Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. It is a product where for male enhancement. It's nothing like your Viagra, but it's something where if you want to have a good sexual experience as a male, you can purchase the pill. The pill help with, because say at 20, you're not gonna be the same as 40 and 50. So that will help you to get back that energy in your body when it comes to sex. And also we have a product for the females that can't get pregnant and want to detox somebody. So you can reach out to Dr. Jack, see the number up on the shirt. Reach out to him and then him can tell you how you can get the product. Whether they are foreign or whether they are Jamaica, him can make it possible. So thank you very much for all the persons that been supporting what we've been doing. Because no one then you find people reach out to it and send a donation. And you know me as a type of person, I don't really call names, but you know yourself. So thank you very much. Continue to support what we've been doing. We might mention one specific person, the bully team. You don't know them always. I push we and I help we from the beginning of the channel. So thank you to the bully team. Thank you to every single person's. You know your name, you know yourself. Once you contribute to what we are doing already, we thank you very much. You know what I say? Me appreciate every single person's. Navlin, Jennifer, Sherlan, Jules, you know, if me not mention a name, don't feel like me forget you. I think Shakaberry received one barrel recently. So I think it was sent from Canada. I can't remember her name right now. But please, may I look for the number of it call if you tell us to receive the barrel. If you watch the video and hear me, reach out to me, make me and remind me so I can get back the number so I can tell you thanks. She get a few food stuff and she really appreciate them. I've gotten a few things to myself, so I thank you. May I always show appreciation once persons reach out. We're not rich, we still are struggling filmmakers, struggling artists, so we still are trying to push forward what we are doing. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we are doing. As me say, if me sound like me, I repeat myself, thank you again. I'm more to mention two names before me left. Three artists were out there push themselves to the limit and I try. So when we can go support their YouTube channel, we have Dre Tsunami, you know what I say? He's a young artist, we are push forward him craft. We have Not Righteous, young artist, same here push out himself. Subscribe to him channel. And we have Tall P, young artist, same here try push out themselves. Find them on YouTube, subscribe to them channel and show some support. That's how this how we are growing up. Big up on yourself and I'm out.
Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.